Hello, and thanks for watching our tip video on trying new foods. Be sure to add and track this habit in Healthier Together to earn rewards points. Now here's some tips on trying new foods that are fun and healthy.
Take a culinary trip without leaving your area. Support a local restaurant from a different culture than your own. If you aren't sure what to get, ask the staff for their favorite recommendations. Trying new food can be as simple as adding a sauce, seasoning blend, or trying out a cooking method from a different culture. Do some research. By understanding food origins and food's place in other cultures, it can help you appreciate the food, cooking method, and the people even more. Last tip is to make it a habit. Add a new dish or celebrate food from another culture each week or month. Ask for recommendations, search recipes, shop local food markets, and cook with your household or support a local restaurant. It can be a fun bonding, learning, and culinary tradition for your household.
Additional tips on trying new foods? Comment below. Let's be healthier together.